Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a tall, elegant centerpiece. So what you're going to need, you're going to need some of these teardrop pendants. They're from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now from Dollar Tree, you're going to need one of these tall glass hurricanes, and you will need 2 of these large candy dishes in silver. Now I'm going to be using hot glue on this project, but if you'd like to make any of these components permanent, please use something like E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful design. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this tall, elegant centerpiece turn out absolutely beautifully? And it was so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends and family. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. I'd like to thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.